Today I want to show you guys this backgammon set. The brand sent me to make a video for you guys. This is a portable backgammon set and it has magnetized pieces. You can see they stick together. Really nice feature. You can see just like that, and they also stick on the board. It's not like glue sticking. You can easily move them, but accidental bumps you can see even if you just move around. They are not just gonna move around and like you're gonna lose where you were. So that is really cool, and it has dedicated spots while you are collecting. You have on each side. If you want, you can just start collecting, so you can place those there. So really cool. And each player has its own cup to throw the dice, and each player has their own colored dice if you want to use and keep everybody separate dice. That's a nice feature. And you can see uh, they are really nice, very easy to read, not too small, not huge. So perfect size. You can easily throw with the hand as well. You don't have to use the cup if you don't want to. And you also have the multiplier. You can easily see whose turn it is, and you can just easily place uh, wherever it's supposed to be. You can see, so really cool. It has this nice handle piece that you can easily put it around your wrist, and once you just finish you can just close, and you just close the zipper just like that, and you can just go around and carry around with you. You can see this is the size of it. I'll show you guys. You can see, you can guide from my hand. So this is the actual size. Really cool, very nice product. You can easily go, like if you are going picnic with friends, or you want to just go hang out, this is just gonna be around with you. You can toss in the car, in the back or trunk. So really cool. I really like the way it works. Not heavy, even if you are just walking around with it. It's not too heavy, not too light. It has nice cool features. You can see the zipper closes really nicely. You can also remove the like carrying handle if you don't want it to just stick around. You can also do so. Really nice. I hope you guys found this useful.